Hi, Sally Hancock, and I'm back to work some more on my Just Junk Journal. I'm going to work on the covers. So I decided to cover this cardboard. That was the back of some notepads. And so it's pretty thin and flimsy, so I decided to do two together. So my covers are going to be 7 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide. So I think I'll use some tape to tape. I'll tape the cardboards together and then I'm going to cover them. Okay, so I can't remember if she said that we can use any kind of tape. Thought she did. So I'm using this double-sided tape. So now I'll try doing this. Well, let's see. Make sure I get them lined up good. There, I think that. Pretty close, pretty close. A little bit off over here, but not bad. Close enough for me. Okay, then I'll just do the same thing for the back cover. Okay, so I have both of my cardboards glued together and I put tape on one side and I'm going to cover it. Oh, whoops, I need to make sure I cover that's the back with this Old Navy shopping bag. Just kind of center this in here. Like so. Okay, I'm gonna trim this little flap off. And miter the corners. I'm just going to leave just about 1/8 of an inch. Well, that's a little bit more, but cover up the corners. Okay. And I think I'll put tape on these edges of the bag. So I think I kind of want to get this paper kind of started before I take the tape off. Alright, for the design on the cover, I went to my parents' house and my dad was using this beautiful napkin and I said, can I have that? So this unfortunately is used. This is, I could get away with using parts of this, but this part is just fine. So I think I'll cut this part. What I was thinking for the cover was using this part and then just maybe just this on the back. Okie doke. So let's see. So I wanted this border. Maybe I'll put it on and then trim away the extra. And I think that would make a pretty cover. Maybe I'd rather have it like that because the binding is going to be over here. I will contemplate that and I'll be back. Okay, so I am going to use a glue stick to adhere the napkin. So I think, and just carefully put the glue stick on. Okay, so I can add more glue if I need to. Make sure I've got this down good. Okay, I think I will put Mod Podge over the top though, because this will be pretty, that would tear very easily. But I think that will make a very pretty cover. And then let me think. So I want this flower in the corner. There. Okay, I think that will look pretty on the back. There is the cover, and I will Mod Podge that, and then, well, I'll go ahead and start it. Shoot, I'm not sure if I can use a paintbrush, but I'm going to anyway. So I'm gonna go grab a paintbrush and be right back. Okay, so I got my brush. I will just cover this with the Mod Podge to give it. I think that is all covered. So I'll let that dry and then come back to do the other side. Okay, I think that's dry enough now to work on the other side. So there was this piece from the calendar that I really liked that I thought could make an interesting inner cover. So I think maybe I'll leave a bit of the white border. Yeah, and the napkin can show. Okay, so I know I don't want this bottom part. It about right there and right there. Okay. we're still a little sticky. I'll turn it back over to dry while I'm working. Okay, so that is how many inches? About 1.25 inches from the top. Oh, kind of hard to see. I wonder if it would be better to do it from this side. And I can see. So I think I'll just, I'll just fold it right in half so I can use one for the front and one for the back. I think there is enough of a border. Yes, perfect. Perfect, okay. Right. Cut on this side, I can see a lot better. So I think I'll use my double-sided tape again for this, because liquid glue would make it wrinkly, I think. I almost forgot that I was thinking of putting something to tie it closed with. So there's this raffia that formed the handles of the bag. I thought maybe it could be tied. Shoot, this paper's really thin though. If I glue something under it, it would make it pretty lumpy. I will ponder this and be right back. Okay, I have decided to go with my old necklace. I've untied all the knots, and I probably will iron it, but I think it won't be too lumpy under my piece of paper here. So I'm gonna go ahead and iron this flat, and then cut it in half, and then I can do half to the front and half to the back, and then I can have a side tie closure, and then I could have these that, I don't know. No, I don't think so. Okay, so I'll have those for a different project. Okay, be right back again. All right, so I'm just gonna leave these long for now, and then I can trim them to size when I see what size they'll need to be. So let me think. I need them to match on these sides, so I think let's see, put it on the back first where I want it. Okay, that's pretty much the middle. Use my Fabri-Tac. Hopefully this will be strong enough to hold it. All right. if I lay this one like that and then just put the cover right on top, then they will match. Might have gone a little overboard on the Fabri-Tac. Okay, there we go. There, now I can put this down. I think maybe I'll put a couple of strips in the center. I forgot I was going to put some Fabri-Tac on the top to stick to this paper. Doesn't look too lumpy. Okay, there is the back cover. Set that aside. And I need to Mod Podge this real quick. Some Mod Podge on top of the corner. Oh, I'm sorry, Fabri-Tac, I mean. Right? Yes. Yes, okay. Okay, there is the covers. I think that will look pretty good. I may distress that. Looks very white. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. There are little signatures in there. Oh, yes. I like it. I like it. Okay.